guys, we're on the road again, and guess where we are? We are back at Bristol Airport, and I'm on my way back to Munich. We've got a GoPro Hero 7 training day for the next couple of days, so I'm on my way to that. Right guys, I'll give you a bit of an update at the minute. We're not in Munich airport. Right now I'm chilling in Amsterdam airport. So when I arrived to Bristol airport, I was meant to have a flight at 6 o'clock, so I've been up since 3. And when I got there, it turned out that the booking was for a month today, not today. So basically I've had to pay for a flight myself to get to Munich for the GoPro Hero training. So I'm sitting pretty close to the gate, waiting for the flight, 3:30. But I found a little place because there's no chairs to have a bit of lunch and just... When we get to Munich, we've got a bit of a surprise. They've just told us to bring basically snow gear, but we don't know what actually we're going to be doing, so it's going to be a bit of a surprise when we get there. I haven't done much stuff in the snow, so I haven't really got any snow kit. So we've arrived in Munich, gotta go get the train now, go and find the hotel, and chill out for a bit, and then training starts tomorrow, so keep you updated. So we've made it into Munich, and I'm just walking to the hotel now to have a nice lie down. Made it, finally. Team Red are heading to the train station for day 1 of GoPro training. So we've made it to the GoPro office and having a little tour around again.
Yeah. So feel free. Jesus, nice.
We've had our training about the new Hero 7. Now we're catching a train to
Tegernsee.
Tegernsee.
It's a lake.
Some lake.
And there should be snow. I'm not sure, but we have some activities planned.
Yeah, we also have to be further away.
We've arrived, we're at the top of the hill, got our sled, we're going sledding. Sledging away, gonna crash, brake, brake, we're going fast, sending it. Fucking sending it! Send it! Taking the sled for a walk. Come on. I'll have to name it.
This is like having a pet.
I'll have to name it. I want to play in this toy. Look at that beast. Made it to the top. So this is our lodge. We're staying here. We're going to play out on the sleds in the bay.
One, drop it!
Oh yeah! 3, 2, 1. No!
Does that count?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sweet. It's our bedrooms. All ready for a sledge session. Drop it!
Drop it! Oh, you love
We're all nearly set up, ready to go sledding again.
Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Let's do this.
Sled day. We've got some activities due for today as well. We're about to start our descent on our sleds. Here we go. Woo! Through the middle! Yum! We are on our way down the hill, doing a bit of sledding. This is our team building. Oh, big crash! Oh my god! Here we go, Sandy boy! Go drift! Ah! We all made it to the bottom.
Yeah, man.
Got the snowshoes. Practicing some shooting as we're doing a biathlon, and then we'll be on the dogs.
Pretty easy.
There you go, Dan! Run, run, run! You guys gotta get close! My man, they are all white. No. Run!
Yo, buddy. Hi-yo. Hi-yo. Hiya. Fun. You're posing for the camera. Hiya. You're in the hole.
Go! Woo! Come on, guys, go, 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 go!
It's got the lead! It's got the lead!
You can love that doggy.
Just you. Training days are done. Back on the train. Heading back to Munich.
Back to Munich.
Back to Munich. Training is over. Hi guys, as you can see, I'm back in the hotel. We've had a pretty hectic and exciting day, an awesome 2 days of the GoPro Hero training, but it was all good fun. But now it'll be time to head back to Britain tomorrow, but it's been really good fun. I've enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys at home have enjoyed this a bit more and seen what happens on a training day with GoPro. If you liked it, hit that subscribe button down below or give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you for the next one.